Sarura kids.
And let's have a look at this. Come on, girls. So today we are looking at this amazing Tell the Time clock. Now this clock is made by Woodlets, down there. And it is a Tell the Time clock with 12 tick-tock, yes, with 12 chunky, colourful wooden shapes. And it is educational, helps with dexterity, as you can see. They're already teaching themselves. And it says it's suitable for ages 3 and above. Who's 3 years old?
Me.
Yeah, you are 3 years old. So you're just right for this, learning how to tell the time. Mummy will have to learn, because there's a section there on clock stand assembly, which I might either have to learn or just give to Daddy to figure it out. It says here, Snowy the Wise Owl is sorting the shapes. There's Snowy the Owl. Can you help him match the shapes and learn to tell the time?
Yeah.
This helps little ones develop hand-eye coordination, problem-solving skills, number and colour recognition. Somebody's also learning about colours right now. Yay!
I can do it.
I think you can.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, and somebody was just blown away by that information right there. Right, so let's open this one.
We need my scissors.
No, we don't. Mummy's peeled it off. It just has a little thing that you have to peel off. It's not as intense as the major packaging. So let's open the clock. There we go. Oh, doesn't it look like a pizza?
Yeah.
Alright, let's take that out. I'm just going to try and figure out the assembly. And if I can't do the base, I'll just give it to Daddy. But it seems simple enough. She says before she gets it wrong. I did it! Yay! It's so simple, even Mummy can get it right. And I'm not always with DIY. You just slot the two things in together. And done, she says, as it drops. Oopsie. So that's what it stands on. Now this is a clock, and we're going to open this wonderful, wonderful clock.
Yeah! It's and I want to say it!
Yeah! We do actually, but I've taken them away. I should have left them behind. Oh, there we go. I'm in. So it's got a little plastic covering.
Yeah.
Hold on. There we go. And then we pop it over here.
I know how to do it.
And this tells and all the shapes have come out. So what we have to do, girls. Yeah, I'll turn it to the side so you can all see it. So it's got all the different shapes over there, as you can see. Yeah, it's got all the different shapes, and then it tells you the different. It seems here like it's got a 60-second. Oh, the shapes have numbers on them. I was trying to figure out where the numbers are.
This one is red.
That is red, yes. And where does the red one go?
There.
Yes, there are 2 red slots, so you have to get them right. So that shape is a circle, and you have to make sure the numbers are facing the right way.
This one goes there.
That's a pink one. You got the colour right. There was a pink one there. But where's another pink one, sweetie? We're moving on to number 10.
One here.
Yeah, that is there. That's one of them. There's another one. There's one with more sides to it. Yes, it's got that many sides. We're going to count the numbers of the sides in a minute. I'll let you guys just finish that. Yes, and what other shapes do we have? Oopsie. I'm sure you put a twinkle star up there a second ago. There's a twinkle star back down again. There's a twinkle star. Oh, you want them flat on the... Okay. So, apparently we like to assemble while it's flat. Less room for disaster. Well done! Good job. That's a heart. A lovely, lovely heart. Well done, girls. Right, so the number's facing us. This is another one.
Done!
Yay! Good teamwork, girls. Yay! We have got our clock. Tick tock, tick tock. And now now the way the clock works is we have 12 hours for each half a day. So there's 24 hours in a day and 12 hours in each half of a day.
Do we have another one?
No, this is all. But now a clock has a minute hand and a second hand. So the second hand goes round all the way for 60 seconds. And when it finishes 60 seconds, the big hand goes tick, 1 minute. Remember how we have to brush our teeth for 2 minutes? Yes. So this is what the mummy's stopwatch upstairs will be doing. It'll be going round and round, 60 seconds, and then it's time to stop. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Now who's good at counting the numbers? Tell me what numbers you see. Right, let's put that over there. Can you count the numbers for mummy, please?
1.
Yes, we are. Well done. And
2.
Yay!
3.
Yeah, huh?
4.
No, 4's down here.
4.
Yeah.
3.
Yes, that's 3. Well done. What's this number?
2.
5. It's because it's upside down. I'll turn it around so it's the right way around. Actually, I'll turn it that way because it's supposed to be the right... Oh, okay. You're now upside down to it. So, that's 5. And then this is 6. 7. 8. Well done. Yes. 9. 10. 11. 12. And somebody's just done 12 bunny hops while we were counting. So, girls, what do you think of this one? Do you like this one?
Yeah.
Yay! So we're going to learn how to tell the time with the clock. I think I like this one too.
Me too.
Not just because I can actually assemble the stand, but I do quite like this one because it's very cute. Right, thank you so much, girls. And who's going to say bye-bye to our friends?
Me.
Yeah, say bye-bye to our friends.
Bye-bye.